Alright YouTube, I'm back with another video.
Alright, I'll hit you back.
And we're just looking for a car today. Okay? Come on that journey with us. And hopefully I can buy my car today. You know? Yeah, period. And you guys, I want a, not that. I don't want that.
Really, we doing a video down?
It's for my YouTube. And that's not what I want. Alright guys, this is like the 4th car lot we've been to. I don't think I'm gonna buy a car today. It's kind of a bummer. We don't know. They have nothing. Literally nothing on this lot. It's a bummer. But I got the master key. Alright, anyways, yeah, I think I found my car. Who knows? Dealing with these dealerships. Hopefully we can get my car today. Or at least put the down payment on. Yeah. Period. One line. Period. Oh, here comes somebody.
That's the one you like?
Uh-huh. I just want to look inside. I ain't gonna let y'all see it just yet, just because I don't get it. Then that's embarrassing. Hey y'all, I'm back and I just got done getting ready for today. I'm so like, y'all, I'm super excited right now. But make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe. And we're finna get on. We gotta head 45 minutes away. So that means I gotta drive 45 minutes back in my new car. Okay, but for real, I love y'all. And we finna, oh, and y'all can see my car today. I'm gonna show y'all my car. And yeah, period. Yeah. All right, YouTube. And I got that car. I got the car, guys. So this is the back of the car. Okay. Red trim. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, I got it in the glove pump. Yeah, it's all in there. Damn, got it right.